What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Right now it's really cold outside and we're here with a special guest. His name starts with a D. Daniel. We're here in his 1995 Subaru sambar.
Game begin.
What it's like to own a Subaru sandbar, Daniel? What is it like?
It's a blast.
3, 2, 1.
Got a blast!
It's clearly very spacious.
It's so spacious! Look at all the space! It's spacious!
As you can see, I am 5'4" and I have about 6 inches of space between my kneecap and the dashboard, just in case we were to get in a collision. And this is a 5-speed with the extra low. You can't really see that right there because it's kind of worn out from 1995. A lot of hands have been touching that shifter, so yeah, it's a little worn out. But it has a 4-wheel drive button there, if the light can focus. Sorry, oh well, no light focusing for you. Anyway, 4-wheel drive button in the center. That's first. Oop, I almost did that without his foot on the clutch. That would have been really nice. Yeah, first gear, thanks for holding the clutch. Then if you pull it another 3 inches, that's like super low gear, and it automatically puts it in 4-wheel drive when you put it in super low. So yeah.
You just described the car for me. So much for your video.
Whoa! You just did something different here, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, you got yourself a long mirror.
Yeah.
Why you didn't put the long wing mirror?
It's a good question. Yeah.
Can you see the whole truck with that?
Yeah.
Almost.
I can.
With the wing mirror, you'd see even more. You'd see the outside of the truck.
I can see the outside of the truck.
He also has his little 2-stroke pocket razor mod back there. Oh, you almost hit that, users. But yeah, the bed back there is awesome for storing stuff.
Many activities.
We'll get to that little scooter in another future video once Daniel decides to dump $60 into it. That's pretty much what it needs at this point.
That's gas money, dude.
Yeah, about $50-$60. Exhaust. It needs exhaust, carburetor, and throttle setup.
Yeah.
But yeah, once that's done, that'll be pretty cool.
How's your parking lot over there?
Probably dry, but we could find out. Your speedometer's not moving.
Because it's we're going too slow.
Oh.
You gotta keep in mind, 10 kilometers is
Wow.
What a doo-doo.
Wow. With his pants falling off. Nice spots for storage of toys.
Yes. Got a chicken. Got a nice looking Santa inside of an octopus.
Oh wow, the Santa actually is inside of the octopus for sure.
And he's happy.
Nice. Touch me. So who's that little guy down in there?
This little frog?
Yeah.
This is a Naruto wallet. This guy carries my little coin. coins.
Ah.
Yeah. And it's just sits there, you know, just enjoys
I
life.
thought that's what this was for. That
Yeah,
also carries
That's carrying
coins and bolts.
Yeah, it's carrying almost everything.
Oh, you're crazy.
Oh, I'm not gonna fit with my wheels. Never mind. Continue attachment. So if someone road rages with me, watch this, watch this. If someone gets mad at me while I'm driving, I could change my mood.
What does blue mean?
It's angry.
Oh.
Yeah. It's a mad guy.
Huh.
But right now, since I'm happy recording and driving around, I'm happy. Let's turn that on, copyright. Yeah, turn it on, turn it off.
Turn it on. Turn it off. Got your Japanese stickers, huh?
Mm-hmm,
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
That's when it was last registered.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
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 This little truck is super scary all the time. Until you can brake checks. My knees go into my
Your
butt.
rib cage. Your femur is gonna go straight into the back seat. Maybe.
You're gonna get a fever, you
A
said?
fever? No,
Oh.
your femur.
Oh.
I'll get a fever so I can get taken care of. Maybe.
He spun out.
I wanted to turn around because there's nothing that way.
I wonder if...
Oh, there is something that way, huh?
Yeah, there's a parking lot down there.
Oh, well, let me turn back around then.
He's just doing some snow drifting now at this point. It's our local
Snort.
It's our local snowstorm.
Local snorstorm.
Yeah.
Snorstorm.
Can't really tell because, I don't know, it's all white obviously, but...
Cool. Definitely gonna catch her. Nice!
Alright,
There's nothing out
snowstorm in 3, 2, 1.
here. Snowstorm.
Snowstorm activated.
Snowstorm activated. Okay, yes. I'm gonna catch grip. Somewhere around here. Yep.
Skirt. Wow. Wow.
Here we
Wow.
go.
Wow, look at you. You're a professional sandbar drifter.
I know, right?
Oh, no, you lost it.
Oh, I tried doing a 360.
Oh, did you really?
Yeah.
No, you lost control.
Well, I actually
You lost control.
fine. We'll do that shit again.
Yeah, it's really hard to tell what's happening or how sideways we are.
It kind of is a little bit.
It's pretty sideways, bro.
Okay, now I lost it.
It was pretty sideways, but it's really hard to tell in this, like the way literally there is no front end, so it's kind of hard to tell.
A little bit. Navigated auto drive.
Maybe I could film some of the back here for you.
Some of the back.
Pretty sideways.
Yeah, as you can't tell from how much angle I have right now. Yeah.
Yeah, it's hard to tell. It's just so light, the camera's not picking it up. So to answer the question,
Sandbar is really fun. If you want to buy one, I am selling mine for 2 pennies and a nickel. That's 7 cents. Actually, no, a dime and 3 pennies.
it'll make the red light.
Yeah, and we could run the next one too. Oh shit!
Fuck.
I saw you kick.
It was like sliding.
What the fuck? Did you see this lady?
Oh wow.
Yeah, she almost.
That's cool.
He almost fucking ran the red.
You're pretty far forward. They saw you doing it and they're like, okay.
Far forward. Yeah, they're a Subaru. They were like, oh, Subaru routines.
Well, Anyway, it's great in the snow, good for the mountains, good for mountain dates. Daniel is single. If anybody wants to go on a picnic date in the back of the sandbar, he'll go and take you if you're cool enough.
You have to be cool.
Great on gas.
Very great on gas.
And they're cheapish.
If you wanna skip on your monthly rent, go ahead and buy yourself one. That will fuck up your credit, so I don't really highly recommend it. But if you do want to and go homeless for a little bit, you can make yourself a little house, put it in the back. I'll put the link in the video. Oh, he'll put the link in the video.
A tent. And then you can run a diesel heater on it.
Yeah. Go ahead and get yourself some diesel monoxide. My head still hurts from that, just so you know.
Yeah. So enjoy the cinematic footage of the Subaru Sambar. It's a short video, but yeah, just trying to upload something. So enjoy. Daniel had the bright idea. He's hungry. Here's your bonus footage of the day. Daniel's hungry, so he's going through the drive-thru in reverse, since his truck is right-hand drive.
All right, let me know when you're ready.
Yeah, let me get a number 2.
Single, double, or triple?
Double, please.
Small, medium, or large?
Let me get that a medium.
And what's your drink for you?
Or actually, no drink, just the medium fries and the burger,
I'll
please.
take a cup of water.
Okay, so just a sandwich and
Cup of water?
I mean,
And a water cup.
all right, what else for you?
And then that'll. You want anything?
I'm good.
That'll be it.
Do you want water in the cup or just empty?
Look at that! Look at that! No shit!
Water in the cup. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that's all?
Yeah, that'll be it.
All right, 1175 at the first window.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you want water in the cup?
Do you want a water cup? But do you want water in the cup?
No, I just want the cup of water.
Hey, how you doing?
Why driving it like reverse?
Right-hand drive.
Right-hand drive.
Real?
Yeah. All right, cool.
Yeah, I'll go on.
Yeah, you too.
Why else would we be driving in reverse?
Cause I just can't reach out of the left side. That's why. Hey. Hello. Can I get 2 barbecues, please?
I want 5.
Appreciate it. He's the only one that noticed.
Launch that shit backwards.
Well, that was kind of gay. I didn't expect no reaction from
Yeah, that was a little boring.
Oh, fuck it. Does Savannah want some fries from McDonald's?
Go through every single drive-thru
Until we get a decent reaction. Oh yeah, this is one of the bonus parts. You get to go in drive-thrus in reverse with the right-hand drive.
Yeah, when you're alone.
Yeah, when you're alone. People question it, but it's okay.
But today he was with me, but he still is alone.
Yeah, we loner boys.
So yeah.
Oh, dude, that hurt my hand.
Well, I'm gonna hold on to my water, my cup of water, or just my cup. Bye.